In this beginner's tutorial, we'll be having a look at Wishing Well. And Wishing Well is played in a new position. It's played in the C position. So up until now, we've learned that both our thumbs go on middle C, with each finger getting a key. But now we need to move our left hand down so that our pinky is on C below middle C. And in order to do that, we're literally going to do this. We're going to count 1, 2, 3 notes, so that there are 2 notes in between our thumbs, and then our pinky is on C below middle C. So this is where our hand position will go for Wishing Well. We are still going to play in 3/4 time or waltz time, so we're still going to count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And the rhythm we need to play in this particular song is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we've got this long, short, long, short, long rhythm. So try the rhythm before you start playing. So in this one, Wishing Well, our right hand is going to play first, but we are going to place both our hands in C position, counting down those 3 notes. Each finger gets a key. And we're going to start. E, D, C, D, E, now F, G. Now the left hand plays E, 3rd finger, F, G going up, F, E coming down, D, C, holding for 3 beats because we've got a dot with them in them. And it's got a repeat sign, so we need to repeat again. E, D, C, D, E, F, G, left hand again, E, F, G, F, E, D, C, 2, 3, and the song is done. I'm going to play the song now in one go, and then I'm also going to play the duet part with it, so that you can hear how beautiful it sounds when we do the accompaniment, the teacher's accompaniment with it. So to help this, I'm just going to move my hands up 1 octave higher, but you are not going to do this. This is just for you to hear. If you like this video, please remember to subscribe to my page and also check out any other videos that might be useful. Thanks for watching.